Hey guys, Will Myers, Myers Massage and Bodywork. In today's rehab technique, we're actually going to go over the shoulders and upper back. So if you're having any tightnesses in those areas, this may be a really good exercise for you. So the main thing that we're going to start with is being right up against the wall. Okay? So you can use any type of wall. The main thing is we want to have enough space to be able to move around. Okay? So to first start it off, we're going to face the wall. Now, I'm putting my hands directly out, right even with my shoulders, even on both walls, okay? I'm stepping out just a little bit, my feet are shoulder width apart, and at the same time, I'm leaning into the wall just a tad, okay? Now, the main thing that we're going to do here, lean forward in, squeeze the shoulder blades back together, and then push out, rounding the back completely. Now, I'm not bending my elbows at all, okay? This is all shoulder work. We want to try to squeeze our shoulder blades back as much as we can, squeeze that tightness, and then push back as far as we can. Now, if you notice, you see my shoulder blades giving you quite a bit of range of motion, okay? If you don't have this much range of motion, it's okay. So we're going for 10 times here. Squeeze in and push all the way out, okay? Once again, squeeze in and push all the way out. Great. Now that's the first one. Now the most important part with that one is everything was level and even. Now we're going to give different parts of the back a chance to work on their own. Okay? So we'll start out by making sure that our right hand is straight up against the wall again. Since I have my right hand here, I'm then going to go ahead and put my left foot forward. Okay? Now from this position, I've got this here. I'm going to come in like so. My fist is going to be even with about my torso. So if I was keeping my elbow nice and straight, I'm going right into the wall. From this position, I'm going to do the same thing. Squeeze those shoulder blades together and then push out. Squeeze in. And again, when it comes to the right side, I'm kind of working and stretching that upper part of the shoulder blade. When it comes to the left hand, I'm now getting to the lower part. So you're getting a chance to just kind of section things up with the body. Okay? Now, after that one, once again, we're going to go for about 10. The next step is just to switch to the other side. So all I'm going to do here, left hand is going to go straight out from the shoulder. Right hand is going to come punching into the wall here, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Squeezing in, squeeze the shoulder blades together, push out. Squeeze in, more. Good. Last one here. Squeeze in, really squeeze those shoulder blades together, and then push out. Okay? Now, your goal is going to be 2 of each of those. Okay? So you want to, when you come in here, we're going to squeeze in. Let's say you go ahead and count to 10. Okay? So you do your hands where your hands are even, then you do your left hand forward, then you do your right hand forward. The point there is to be able to make sure you get to everything evenly. Okay? So 2 times for each of those, 10 individual reps for each set. It's going to give you a total of 60 movements. So if you're getting up in the morning, or if you're really just having some tightnesses, or if this is the beginning of your shoulder or back workout, really good way to warm up all those muscles. It's just the natural way that they would move anyway, so it's the perfect way to warm them up, okay? Don't worry about a really long holding stretch for the shoulder before a workout, because if you stretch those muscle fibers too much, when you start working out, they're just going to shoot back together. And that's where all those knots and congestions come from. Then you got to come see me as a massage therapist to try to relieve that pain. Well, how about this? You can use my training to avoid the painful type of massage in the first place. So if you're getting ready to work out your shoulders, or really anywhere in the body, remember, we don't want to do that long holding stretch. We want to move the muscle and the bones, that whole portion of the body, the way it would naturally move, without weight, in a light form, just to kind of get the blood flowing. So once again, great shoulder rehab, great way to kind of get yourself some relief in the middle of the day, or to get ready for a workout. Thanks for watching. Check out some of the other videos. Thanks guys. Bye.